We talked to a popular NJ lash extension studio about proper aftercare for eyelash extensions. Licensed esthetician Ash Santiago discusses how her clients maintain and care for eyelash extensions. Some tips of aftercare for lashes include picking at your lash extensions is not recommended, and regularly cleaning your lashes will help prevent eyes from becoming infected. This NJ Lash Studio aims to educate customers about eyelash extensions to keep them safe. When it comes to proper aftercare of eyelash extensions, we give our clients a rundown of the do's and don'ts at the end of each appointment so our clients know how to care for their lashes. Caring for lash extensions is a must to prevent any eye infections and maintain their look longer, said Ash Santiago, owner and licensed esthetician. Ash Santiago is a beauty specialist in New Jersey offering high-quality and stylish eyelash extensions, professional makeup, waxing, and facial services. Her premier eyelash extension services have been touted as one of the best lash extension services in New Jersey. See the description for more information. Stay up to date with the latest news.